his girlfriend Rose.
Hello little gardeners, today we are going to talk about watering plants and saving water. Hello Leaky, how are you today?
Oh, I am good, Gary. I am full with all the rainwater we have collected from the water butt.
That's great Leaky. And when is the best time to water the plants?
It's best early in the morning or in the evening, so the sun doesn't dry up all the water. All right?
Well done Leaky. Let's get started.
Look, Gary, there is a ship.
Ships? Ships? I see no ships.
That'll be good for my cannon. I'm gonna take you prisoner, Leaky.
Oh no, Leaky, look at all the water that Captain Jack is wasting.
I'm wasting water, I'm wasting water, I'm wasting water, I'm wasting water, I'm wasting water. Hee, I'm wasting water, I'm wasting water.
We shall have to distract him.
Oh,
Are you alright, Leaky?
oh, that was a bit of a shock. Why don't you do that sailor's hornpipe dance you have been practising, Gary?
Good idea, Leaky. You sure can.
That was thirsty wet, Gary!
Cheers! So, you must not waste water, Captain Jack, so there's enough for everyone to drink and to water the plants.
I promise, I promise!
Yes, and another way is to use reusable bottles for your drinking water rather than plastic bottles. Woohoo!
That's a good idea, Leaky. I promise not to waste water anymore.
What's in that box, Captain Jack?
It's for my treasure. Have you stolen it?
No!
Will you like to see my treasure, Gary?
Oh, yes, please, Captain Jack.
Ooh, lovely!
Oh, treasure! Oh.
This is all my treasure. You must tell anybody to see it.
Of course not, Captain Jack.
Make sure you don't, because you walk the plank, two of you.
We promise, we promise.
We promise, we promise.
Send me timbers. My treasure, my treasure, my treasure, my treasure.
What a good adventure that was, Leaky. Meeting Captain Jack.
Yes, and we taught Captain Jack not to waste water.
Yes, and he showed us all his treasure.
Shh! Don't say that. He told us not to tell anyone.
Oh no! Okay, Leaky, let's get off and water all the plants. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.